see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me. I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself.
Massage my pump, please. Fuck! Wait! Wait for
I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself.
Mommy, a lollipop!
Big lollipop.
What's that? See, it's like a cross one.
Oh, here. Just clip on the collar. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait, do you get mine?
May badge kasi siya.
Mine!
Hindi pa rin sila tapos. Ako, antok na antok pa talaga ako. Sisak na talaga ang alas 5 nagising. Buti na lang siguro na hindi ako nagising. Okay, hindi ako nagising kasi mahuhuli niya ako. Kasi alas 5 ako dati nagigising eh. Para magkalat ng Easter egg sa labas. Hindi nahuli niya sana ako. Buti na lang siguro talaga hindi ako nagising. Yeah?
Tip this in a massive, put this all of this, all the chocolate in a big. Oh, but one more.
Why?
So we don't have to see.
Together with Kuya TJ.
No.
Ayan, linalagay na ni Sak sa kanyang Easter bag.
What is that? Nah. That's the shoes. I don't want that. Okay.
What did you say before, Zach? May sinasabi siya kanina.
Ask him because he said it. So last year we had some side, backyard, and then the front.
Yeah, every year is different. Kasi wala nga sa harapan na eggs. Easter eggs. Bless you.
We got a bag. He got animals, I got dinosaurs.
Are you happy? Are you happy what you got from Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
What you gonna see to Easter Bunny?
Thank you, Bunny. This
Okay.
This one?
Don't want one.
The big long snake.
You don't open it yet.
This one's my favorite. The big long snake. My pizza.
The pizza.
This is my favorite. I thought you
Okay.
like this one. Oh, this long snake.
Do you have that one, Holly?
Yes.
Oh, you got one too. Lucky.
They exactly have the same.
The same? Oh.
You said we're going to go outside for Easter.
Yeah, but it's cold.
So we're going to have to stay.
Kasi nga gusto ko sana maglagay kami ng tent or maglagay ako ng mat. Humawal ko rin ako sa kwarto. What's that, Kuya?
It says, thank you for the snack. Happy Easter. May your Easter big basket be full of joy, happiness, and peace. Be a good kid. See you soon.
Wow. So is that what Easter Bunny wrote? So listen to Easter Bunny, ha? Naglagay ako natin yun.
Yes, if we be better, he'll give us more Easter.
Yeah, next year.
You give me this.
Oh, holy.
No.
Okay, clean up now, please.
No.
Clean up now.
Where's my notebook? See, well, I'm not gonna open this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna save that one later. Yeah, I'm gonna write stuff in there. Everywhere we go.
Okay.
No, I'm keeping it. This. Yes. I do.
The yellow one. Clean up, please.
I got a notebook with blank.
Sweeties!
Hey, Dad.
No! That's too big.
Dad, look. What's really? Dad, look. Dad, what's actually this? Look through that hole. What is it?
A telescope.
Pretty.
Can you see me, Zach?
Hey, Dad, what's your favorite chocolate? Oreo, there's no squares. Daddy.
The Oreo is the best, hon. The Oreo.
Maltesers.
Maltesers kay Johnny Boy.
Oh yeah, put that on your bag.
Do you have pancake in our pantry? No? Here, get one
Dad,
here.
look at my notebook. And Daddy, look.
Si Jen ang mag.
Maybe a pen with this.
Who's gonna cook pancake?
Dad.
That's
Dad.
marshmallow, Bubba. That's not hard, that one. That's soft.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy.
You cook the pancake, honey.
Dad, look.
Look at that, hon.
Jelly beans. Oh, cool.
I don't want that.
Those Easter eggs.
Ayan. Kunin nyo na yung pancake.
You should see mine.
Yes.
Sorry, open because he just stole pancake.
Oh, the sari-sari is just for pancake.
Something last night.
What?
Doritos.
Doritos.
Mom, can we put these on this?
Oh, yeah.
Wait. Now, what else?
Bibilangin ni Sak yung kanyang Easter eggs.
So you can have one other one.
I'm alright, Baba. Okay, thank you.
That's another.
Holy, you got lost.
This. What?
Shake, shake, shake. Oh. Lucky, hon. You know what? It was lucky that I didn't get up because 5 o'clock, I'm gonna be outside putting everything and then Sakra will see me.
Right.
Ano kayo magiging reaction? Ano kayo magiging reaction ko kung nakita ko sa kanina? Kung nagising ako. Hi, buhay. What time is your golf today?
11:42 and 8:46 tomorrow morning.
Bukas meron pa siyang golf.
Yeah. Feel alright though, neck's better.
Yeah.
It was bloody cold yesterday, you brought the wrong jumper.
You should get
I was cold in the arms yesterday and I needed the other jumper.
yeah, the gray one.
Yeah, grey one.
Yeah. Kasi kahapon yung black manipis lang yun.
Got cold even though I said it was freezing.
Is Willow had the jumper?
Yeah.
Or you can put that black one and then the other one if it's really cold. I think it's cold, hon.
It's late, oh, it's that windy.
Yeah. Wow. Ooh. Boys! Oh, not yet. Isa pa
One's
lang.
ready.
One is ready.
Hey, please.
Okay, come on, Kuya.
Mom,
Oh.
denied it.
Huh?
Oh, I found more.
That's mine.
Oh.
I drop it. Thank you. Yep.
Mom.
Okay, step on that, Papa. Kinakrack niya eh.
What is that? The syrup. Syrup.
It's not working now, Baba. Before it was. Wow. That's a lot. Kuya, I have the cream. The one I whip. Yes.
Whipped cream is
Yeah.
good on that. This with a bit of whipped cream.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Wait,
It's,
wait.
There, in the container.
yung ginawa ko ba para sa apple crumble. I can make my own whip.
No, none of this left.
Oh, there's one in the sari-sari store.
What? Someone gonna go steal it again?
Don't steal. You can go now. It's open.
What if Holly steals the Doritos at night again? Zach, don't.
Get one.
Yeah.
Get the syrup there, Kuya. In sari-sari store. It's empty. Diba? Ubus na, oh. Ah, konti na lang. Ayan yung whip, oh. Diba? Ayan yung cream. You want strawberry, Kuya, or chocolate?
There's a lot of smoke.
Zach, can you get the chocolate syrup, please? Thank you. Oh, there's an open one there, Zach.
Look at that, dude.
Ito. Kunti na lang to. It's not there? Hala. Nasaan yung syrup? Meron ako yung syrup dito. O baka nandun na sa pantry. Wala nga. Wala akong makita. Ito yung vitamins na nabili ni Mel. Multivitamins. Wala dito. Baka nandun sa pantry.
Yeah,
Hindi
that
ko rin,
one, fine.
hindi ko rin din,
Yeah, that one.
ha? That's for me? Hindi ko
There should be
makita.
more syrup.
Yeah, I know I've got one.
There.
Where?
Yeah.
Not that one. That's
This.
alright. Okay.
Maybe over that one.
Yeah. O yung akin, ano.
There you go. Second one. Little one.
Okay.
What's the light tie right?
Akala ko may kinuha ako nito.
Try. Where's your fork?
Hindi ko alam kung kumuha ba ako nito or what. So, eto na lang yung gagamitin ko. Masarap kasi ito. Pero meron pa naman. Simutin natin to. You're right, Baba? O yan, kay Sak. Ang plate niya.
Please so I can have whipped cream.
Hand up. How big? You want to do one, Baba?
Oh, thank you.
Right.
This is not small. Little one. The big one. I'm having strawberry.
Okay, get the strawberry there.
Oh.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
mine.
This is mine.
That's mine.
Wait for Daddy. Daddy's making you. Ayun kay Sak. Do you want whipped cream?
Now, babe, won't be long.
You want cream, Sak?
Won't be long.
Oh, that's too many.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
I'm doing anything I want. This and that. No.
Did you get a fork, TJ?
Yes. Tapos na ako kumain. Thanks, honey. Balik ako sa sa bed. Magnap ako kasi masakit ang ulo ko. See you, guys. See ya. See ya. Guys, alis na si Johnny Boy. Ginising niya pa ako. Huh? Wait, yeah. Good luck, honey. Okay, see you on. I want to see you. Good luck. What time do you think you'll be home?
Probably same as yesterday.
Okay. What's the kids doing?
They're going to bed in our curry house.
Cubby house.
Just let them do it.
Okay.
Quiet.
Yeah, magdadaldo ng cubby house yung mga bata. Okay, Han, see you. You look alright.
I should wear my slacks.
Why? Is it really like big competition?
Yeah.
Oh, wear your... it's gonna be cold on. The slacks is very thin. Yeah. Nandito sila, guys.
I made a tent.
I know. Daddy told me. Huh?
Can we eat this?
We're gonna eat lunch first.
Holly's gonna do an Easter hunt with me.
Okay. We're gonna go Easter hunt? And nag-PS4 sila, oh.
It's only.
What are you doing?
It's me and Holly.
You and Holly. So, dito na lang sila nag-camping. Dapat sa labas kaso malamig. Kasi meron akong malaking mat, yung round.
Did you find it?
Can we watch movie, Kuya, please?
Can we finish the day?
Okay, and then after we're gonna watch
Who
movie.
did that?
Okay, thank you.
Me.
How about your best friend? Why? You have your undies now?
Come on, Holly.
Wow! Oh, sorry, best friend. You're hurt.
Joking.
You're joking, huh? You're joking. Careful. What's that? What did you put?
Jurassic World and that dog.
You put all the stickers. Ito yung booklet or pads na nakuha niya dun sa malaking egg.
There's some wreck.
Oh, that's cool. Nice. Is it a lot? Okay. So
Then we
don't
have
wreck
the
it, okay?
dinosaurs.
Matibay siya, ha?
And this one says
Where's it?
Jurassic World.
You draw.
Yeah,
You draw.
Was that good?
Yeah, it is good, love.
Holly put some.
How's your Easter? Good?
Yeah, my neck's not hurting anymore.
Your neck is not hurting anymore. Oh, good job. Did you have fun hunting the eggs?
Yeah.
How about you, Kuya? Are you gonna wear pajamas all day?
Yes.
Yeah. How about you?
Hey, Mom, do you know that bat t-shirt?
Yes.
That glows. In the dark.
Yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this?
Pinapakita rin siya sa akin. Let me see, Papa. Wow, Paw Patrol.
Mom, these are flat.
What's that?
These are flat. Can you
Flat.
Hey, what's my dinosaur like? Cool? Is that like?
I'm not sure, Papa. I don't know.
Dinosaurs are too scary. I'm not. Mom, watch this.
What's that?
That one was.
Malamig sa labas.
Wait, have a look. Have a look. Okay, look. Hi, Dad.
Wow.
Oh, God.
Para siyang trompo sa
Someone's
atin.
insistent.
Kumakain na sila ng lunch. What's your lunch, Sak? Pancake again. Pancake. Ayaw nilang kumain ng kanin kasi mamaya na lang daw.
Hey, what about Jurassic Park?
Jurassic Park?
How about dinosaurs?
That's scary, kuya. Nagharap na kami ng movie.
I've seen it.
Have you
I've
seen
seen the
that?
number. I've seen the two.
Do you want to watch this?
Yeah. No.
It's scary. Yeah, watch another. Find another one.
Well, Liz.
Ito na lang, The Martian.
Mom, can I have my lolly?
Not yet. Finish it first.
Mom,
Will you-
you finished it
And
all.
drink milk, please.
I think
Yeah, drink.
Mom,
Okay, water.
I finished mine.
Did you finish yours?
She
Okay.
did not.
Eat it.
I did.
Don't lie, or you're not gonna have lollies.
Oh, I want to have this one.
Okay, we'll eat it. Go eat yours. Hurry up. Yes.
This one's kangaroo.
I know. I
Only
gave
its
you
eyes.
that.
It only eats eyes.
Wala pa si Johnny Boy. Anong oras na? Alas 2 na.
This whole time.
It's 2:04.
Mom,
Ah.
come on, look at me.
Mom, don't come in yet.
Where are you, kuya?
Here, me
Yeah.
too.
Oh,
Me
nga,
too.
nag-glow ka, kuya.
Me too.
Where? Wala. Ah, yeah, the dinosaur.
No, it's not dinosaur. It's bat.
Where?
There, the bat. The bat eyes.
The bat eye?
See the eyes. See?
Ah, saan? Ah, the bat eye?
Yeah.
Oo nga. Nasaan ka, kuya? Kuya, where are you? I can't see you.
Yeah. See.
Ah, hindi ko makita na masyado, kuya.
Light, so.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Mine.
How about you? Nothing.
Look.
Nothing. Hi, Holly. Ay, yung cubby house nila, oh.
No.
Yeah, I can see it, kuya.
Hey, Mom.
Oh. Now, kinakain na nila. Ang unang kakainin ni kuya. What's that? Let me The Oreo one. That's my favorite one. Thank you. Kainin rin sa eto, oh. Kila kuya and Holly, yan ang gusto nilang kainin. Yung,
What is that?
what's that?
Bunny.
Bunnies.
Bunny is our lost carrots.
Carrots. Let me see.
Let's eat it.
Ah, yeah. Here's that, oh.
Mom.
Let me see, kuya. Ayan, kay kuya. Bukas na yung kanya. Let me
Mommy,
see.
hurry open mine, please.
Okay, I'll open yours.
Baby,
Wait, baby. Ito yung kay Holly. Oh, ang lambot niya na may... Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Hindi naman yata yan marshmallow. Bye, Baba. Maraming sugar. Baba! Only ano sila ngayon? Only lolly sila ngayon. Where is yours?
I know he stole mine. Why never stole
Where is your? You have yours. So careful. Let me try it, Sally. Can I bite?
What? It's stealing everything.
I want it.
You don't want to eat it.
I don't want to look so pretty.
You look so pretty. So pretty to eat. Kuya, did you bite? Let me try. Kinain na ni Kuya. Ayan, oh. What it tastes like, Kuya?
It's mine. Was yours down the bottom?
What's this, Kuya?
Bunny.
Hindi siya marshmallow. Hindi ko ma-explain, guys, kung ano siya.
Good.
Yeah, may flavor siyang... It tastes like an apple, Kuya. Kuya,
Yeah.
it tastes like what? A bit like fruity?
He stole
Like an apple?
Yeah, this could taste like a carrot.
Maybe.
He stole mine.
Let me see yours.
I stole his.
This is marshmallow to, guys.
Oh, don't pull my head off. Can I try?
Oh, parang marshmallow din yung... Eto si Rabbit. Let me try.
How's this better?
It tastes, kay Holly, it tastes good. Let me try yours. Again.
Try.
Masarap yung sa'yo. Hindi niya mahanap yung ano, yung kanya.
Don't eat the head.
Don't eat the head, just the ears.
Why, I'm missing lots of
What are you getting, Holly? The teeth?
Hey, this is all mine. I know it's not. This is mine. Is it?
Mmm, crunchy.
Dad.
Kuya Sak. Oh, grabe naman siya kumaga. Kailan saan baba?
Join this is.
Ah, okay, a little bit. What I'm gonna buy? Just a little bit? Marshmallow din siya pala.
Hey, he look like a. She look like a vampire.
A vampire? This is yours, kuya.
I know. That's mine.
Oh, that's...
No, I had one next to me. That's
Nalilito na sila kung kanino yung basket.
Put down now.
Put in the basket because the heater is on, it's gonna melt.
You want milk? Put that.
Yum. Eto, masarap to, Sak. I like... Yeah, I like this.
My mommy.
She's also found one. Mom, she'll die.
Mommy.
No,
Yummy.
the bunny rabbit goes last. No, that can go last.
Now look at that.
Oh my God, people. Let me show it to the people. Oh, kawawa na si Bunny. Uy,
Hey,
Let me
you remember how nice.
show it to me. Kawawa na siya, oh.
He look like It looked like a baby.
Oh, baby.
A big baby.
Sak, Kuya, how about yours?
You can have it.
Can I have it?
This is mine.
Dito na si John, 4:05. Wow, where are you going? Oh, Baba, nakapajama pa sila. And nagluluto ako ng sardines chips. Ayan na yung mga naprito ko and meron akong spring rolls. So, yan ang ginagawa ko. Nagra-ride sila ng buggy. Si Holly nagpapahabol. Oh. Baba! You're racing! Careful, ha? Watch out for Holly. Oh, watch out for Holly, ha? Oh, watch out for Holly.
Say it.
What? What did you do?
Rices.
Where?
Yeah, me and Dad have the same speed.
Ito na yung
Three big
sardines chips.
Yeah, Amazon.
Mom. Dad called
Oh, just one, Baba. Oh, just one. How is it, darling? Good.
That thing's not working.
Kuya, ang gusto niyang dinner ay corned beef. Si Jan, kinuhaan ko siya ng steak. Kuha tayo dito sa ating sari-sari store na corned beef. Yung Highlands. Masarap to. Oh. Ito yung isa.
So it's going now, so I turn the degrees up.
Alright. Yeah. More po. Sila na maubos na yung isang isang platito. Corned beef? Wait, Baba. Naiyat, kuya. Naubos na nila yung isang platito. Maglagay ulit ako. It's finished. Si Sak na talaga. Try this one, Sak. This is with corned beef and sardines together. Oops. Okay. Let me know. Better? Oh, it's hot nga. I told you it's hot.
I'm tough guy.
Kasi eto, mix na to ng sardinas at corned beef. Naglagay lang ako ng konti. Yeah. Okay, finish that one. Just one. Which one you want? Corned beef one? You want to try the corned beef?
Yes.
Just one for now. Oh, welcome. Si Kuya gusto niya yung corned beef with sardines yun eh. Mix kasi to. Ha? You like it? Good.
More.
Ayan. Mix siya ng corned beef tsaka sardines. Ha?
More, please.
Oh, you're gonna eat your tea, ha?
What? No, more. I want a small one.
Come on, Kuya. It's hot. It's hot, ha?
Oh. Hot?
Na.
Thank you.
Welcome. Pinapabalik na ni Jan yung mga chairs kasi tapos na yung kanilang camping.
Mom, we're still making the cubby. It's gonna be a carpet and our chairs.
Okay, without chairs. Okay. Luto na yung steak ni Jan. In-airfry ko lang to. Your steak is ready, ha?
Good job.
Magtitinapay lang daw siya, tsaka sauce. Han, how's your tea?
Beautiful.
You like it? Is it tender? Yung mga bata, ano pa lang ako, magluluto pa lang ako ng corned beef. And natapos ko na rin lutuin lahat yung yung crispy chips natin na sardines. Tapos combination of sardines and corned beef. O, diba? Pakinggan nyo, ha? Sisak, ang dami na kain.
Holy, it's like,
Holy?
What?
it's like,
Yung corned beef ni Kuya, hindi pa luto. Nagluluto muna ako ng togi na spring rolls. Luto na yung corned beef and naglagay pala akong patatas. And nagdagdag ako ng isang Pure Foods na corned beef. So, yung dalawa. Kasi ito, binawasan ko siya, diba? Siguro mga 2 kutsara. So, yan, pakainin ko na yung mga bata. Sinalamog. Ano ba sinalamog sa Tagalog? Basta yan, yung kanin dito. And naglagay akong konting corned beef. So, ready na to para sa kanila. Ay, boys, come on. Sila munang dalawa si Holly. Tulog pa, ah.
old-fashioned rice. Is this the old-fashioned? Thank you.
You're welcome. Si Holly. Come on, Baba. Kagigising lang siguro. Baba! Did you wake her up, Kuya?
No, I just said it's tea time.
Ah, okay.
No, he pushed me on his back, made me hit.
Go sit down there, Kuya. Bilis ni Kuya. Rice ulit.
Yeah.
Ang bilis niyang kumain ng rice. Ah, Kuya, ah.
Set all the corned beef on it, please.
You want corned beef?
On the rice.
Okay, wait.
I've got lots of rice.
So what do you want?
Corned beef, please. Me first, because I asked him before. And some on the side here.
Wait.
And then,
Ah, you want me to?
And a lot of my rice. Rice. We've got lots in the rice.
Okay. Si Kuya. Okay.
Ooh.
Welcome. Oh, Kuya. Hinahanap to ni Sak. I know. I was kidding. Be careful, ah. Careful. Ulamin niya daw. Ito yung ginawa ng mga bata. Di ba tinanggal nila yung... Yeah, I'm not gonna wake her up yet. Huwag ko raw gisingin kasi mababad trip lang daw si Holly. So, dito sila all. Ayan, no. Tinanggal nila yung upuan. Ito ang ginawa nila. No, di ba? Ayan yung lounge namin ngayon. That's my sack. Tingnan nyo. Sinasawsaw niya yung chips na sardinas na ginawa ko kanina. Are you done?
But I'm gonna have this rice inside.
No, this is a Holly, Kuya.
No, you can have this one.
No, this
That's all the sprinkled ones I like. It's got no sprinkle on it.
you can put a little bit, Kuya. That's for Holly.
That's an old-fashioned.
You know what? I'll make
I always say fashion.
I will make you a
Okay, now we're done.
what you call that? Corned beef fried rice.
Wait, what about
What about?
just corned beef, no like potato?
Hmm.
That's it.
So, kain na rin ako. Ayan yung rice ko. And eto yung spring rolls. So, close na namin yung vlog. Nanonood lang kami ng Angry Birds. And si Holly, ayun. Papa. Dito pa rin siya tulog. Hindi pa siya kumakain. So, let's close the vlog. Are you ready to eat, Baba? Ha?
I wanna eat.
Okay. Oh, ready siyang kumain. So, pre-close na namin yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Happy
Easter.
Easter. I know,
Bye.
late nyo ito mapapanood, guys. Bye, Zach.
Bye.
Say Happy Easter.
Easter.
Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, bye. Thank you. Be safe, guys. Oh, Lord. You're home. Girl. Yes, baby.
Mom, how you do it closer?
No, that's it.
How did you do it closer?
Don't wanna see no more. I can take, yeah.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. Arms stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is love. Take another one. Let it in, let it fill you up. Make a wish, make another one. Don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say everything on our minds is okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. Arms stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is love. Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
Late yung vlog ko today guys kasi hinahanap ko yung mga pictures noon ng mga bata nila Kuya TJ and Kuya Sa kasi noon hindi pa ako vlogger. And yeah, ayan, sana ma-enjoy nyo tong picture. Yes, Lucky. Yes?
Where was me?
You weren't there yet, Baba.
Where was me?
I already told you. Hinahanap niya kasi yung picture niya kung saan siya.
Mom, I was at home, I think.
You think you're at home? I don't think so.
I think I'm all sleeping.
You think you were sleeping? You think
Yeah.
so? I'm not sure. You're not.
Maybe Dad was holding me.
Dad holding you? I don't think so. Dad is holding you. Was holding you?
He was.
I don't think so.
He was.
No.
He was.
No. I don't think so. Daddy was holding you.
I think in Papa's house and Mama's house.
Pardon?
I think in Papa's house.
Who's Papa's house?
No, the Philippines.
You think you were in the Philippines that time?
Uh-huh.
You think so? Grabe siya mag-isip. I don't think so, Baba. You were in the Philippines that time.
I was.
I don't think so.
I was.
Not sure. You were
I
there, Bob.
was.
So you know where you were?
Yes.
Where?
At Mama's and Papa's house.
Mama and Papa's house. Where Mama and Papa's house live?
Way up the top.
We're at the top. Where? Where are they?
At the Philippines.
Oh, they're in the Philippines. You think so? Okay, sige na. Sa Philippines daw siya during that
I
time,
think
girl.
I'm not in the Philippines.
Oh, saan ka na naman? O, saan? Kung hindi sa Philippines.
But I'm in there.
Yeah. Andito na siya yung bago. Oo, nandiyan ka. Ano siya,
I
guys?
think I'm there.
June 18. Ngayon yan, guys. So, pag
Mom,
napanood nyo, June
what?
18.
Did Kuya
Huh?
do we nest at home?
Do we have what?
Next at home.
Next at home?
Yes.
What do you mean next at home?
Home. Our home.
Oh, what about our home?
There, inside there.
Ah, Kuya Zach. Yeah, that was outside. Ayan, naalala niya kasi yan.
Mom, I think I'm in there.
Where? Where are you?
Here.
You think so? I don't think so. Pinipilit niya talagang nandyan siya.
I think they're back.
Where? You're not there, Baba. Si Kuya TJ and Kuya Sak lang dyan. Oh.
Yes.
No. Sana ma-enjoy nyo to, guys.
I think
You're here, no, Baba. Here. You're here.
not there, in here.
Oh, you're not there yet, Baba.
I think I'm with the outside, I think.
You were outside?
Maybe I was on the swings.
Oh, not sure. Kawawa.
I think I'm at Nana's house and at Pa's house.
Ang dami mong napuntahan kila Mama sa
Maybe
Philippines.
I'm at Nana's house and Pa's house.
You think you're at Nana's house now? Nana's house, hindi na kila Papa, not in Papa?
No.
No.
Essential Paul.
Yay! Okay, thank you. Say enjoy, guys. Say enjoy. Look.
Enjoy, bye.
Enjoy, guys.
Enjoy, guys. Mwah. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause